Cleaning your elevator is now more important than ever, and a routine task that should be done regularly to maintain the highest safety and efficiency for your residents' use. High-traffic areas, often used by the general public, like elevators, need to be adequately addressed. Owners of buildings with elevators are responsible for these areas, and by following this simple maintenance plan, you limit the possibility of spreading germs and elevator shutting down. First, it is recommended to clean the elevator buttons as often as needed by spraying Lysol Disinfectant onto a clean, lint-free rag and then wiping the buttons down. Do not directly spray the buttons with the antibacterial solution. Make sure it goes onto the rag first. Second, wipe down any handrails and walls in your elevator to kill the germ spread. Third, vacuum the elevator car sills of dust and debris to reduce spread and remove any debris that can obstruct door operation. Lastly, it is essential to clean your electronic safety edge using a lightly dampened cloth. It is also important to check the elevator pit and sweep any debris that has fallen into it. This should be done in conjunction with your elevator service provider. While cleaning the pit, if you notice any oil on the floor, you should promptly check for any oil leaks and contact your service provider. The elevator equipment room should be checked occasionally and kept free of debris and non-elevator equipment. Performing these few simple tasks on a routine basis will ensure your elevator stays safe, clean, and trouble-free while protecting your residents. Please call Pincus Elevator Company if you have any questions, need service, or if you run into any problems with your elevators. When you need a reliable maintenance provider or repair, don't hesitate to call us to discuss your elevator needs and ensure your tenants' safety.